Okay, so we're going to practice writing numbers. So you'll need a space, possibly just best to work on the back of your little revision sheet. So if you flip it over and you need a pencil ready, so I'm going to call out what the number is that you need to write, and then you need to write it down on the back of your sheet, and we'll check that we've got it correct. Can you make sure that when you're writing numbers, make sure that you're thinking about our place value columns. We're just going to do one together quickly. If I set a number like 21,012, I must remember to write down that there are no hundreds. So this number here says, and this is how we practice reading numbers too, remember? Forget those three. We highlight this one. The number I asked you to write was 21,000. So that's in the 10,000s. 20, 1, no hundreds. This is the bit I think that's going to catch a lot of people out tomorrow, is that there are no hundreds, but there's 12 on the end. So I think what's going to happen tomorrow a lot is when Mr. O says 21,012, people are going to write that. And that's a different number. That's 2,112. But I wanted 21,000, no hundreds, and 12. Don't forget the 0. All right, first number. Can you please write down the number 4,021? Now I'm going to give you 5 seconds to write it down. If it's taking you more than 5 seconds, you'll need to pause the video. Great, so that's been 5 seconds. That's what it should look like. My sincere apologies. 4,021. The next number. 19,321. 19,321. Pause the video if it's too fast. 19,321. Next number is 7,412. 7,412. Next number is 10,311. 10,311. 10,311. Next one, 9,002. 9,002. So 9,000, no hundreds, no tens, and 2. Next number is 1,312. 1,312. 1,312. The next number is 22,011. 22,011. Okay, before we check this answer, have a think to yourself, what place value column should have a 0 in it? If I say 22,011, which place value column have I not included in that? 11 would be ones and tens. 22,000 would be thousands and 10,000s. What's missing in the middle? $22,000, no hundreds, and 11. Next number, 29,421. 29,421. 29,421. The next number is 82,010. 82,010. And again, have a think. Which place value column have I not used there? 82,010. Where should there be an extra 0? 82,000, no hundreds, and 10. 82,010. Last one is 2,102,214. 2,102,214. Check each place value column. 2,102,214. 102,000. 102,000. This is what it looks like. 2 million. Remember how we read numbers? $2,102,214. 214.